Are you ready to embark on an unforgettable journey of international adventure? Whether you are just Globetrotter or planning your first trip abroad, careful preparation and thoughtful decision making are key to ensuring a smooth and enriching experience. From researching your destination to immersing yourself in local culture, each step along the way contributes to creating memories that will last a lifetime. So fasten your seatbelt, grab your passport, and get ready to explore the world like never before. In this guide, we present you tips for international adventures. It's designed to enhance your travels, keep you safe, and make your trip truly extraordinary. Let's dive in and unlock the secrets to a seamless and fulfilling travel experience aboard. Number 1. Research and plan ahead. Before embarking on your international adventure, it's crucial to invest time in thorough research and meticulous planning. Start by gathering information about your destination. Learn about visa requirement, entry regulation, and any necessary vaccination. Familiarize yourself with the local custom, tradition, and etiquette to ensure you respect and appreciate the local culture. Additionally, reach the massive attraction, local transportation option, and recommended accommodation. By being well prepared, you can maximize your time and make the most of your international adventure. Number 2. Check travel advisors. Staying informed about travel advisor is essential for a
Hello.
safe and hassle-free journey.
I'm tired. How are you?
Government issued travel advisor to
Wishing you
provide
were in
important
Aruba.
information about the security
Which
and
one do I go
safety
in? That one?
conditions
Okay, thank
in
you.
specific countries or regions. Regularly check your government travel advisor website for any update or warning
Hello.
regarding your destination.
I'm tired.
It's
How are you?
crucial to consider this
Wishing you were
advisor
in
when
Aruba.
planning your itinerary and making
Which one do I go in?
informed
That one?
decisions
Okay, thank you.
about the travel arrangements. By staying aware of potential risks, you can take necessary precautions and make
Hello.
adjustments if needed.
I'm tired.
Number 4. Pack smart. Packing efficiently can greatly enhance your international adventure. Start by creating a comprehensive packing list that including essential items such as travel document passport, travel insurance information, and copies of important documents. Research the weather condition of your destination during your travel dates to pack appropriate clothing and footwear. Consider the activities you plan to engage in and pack accordingly. Remember to pack travel size toiletries and any necessary medication. Keeping your luggage light and compact will make your journey more convenient and help you avoid excessive baggage fees. Learn basic phrases. While English is spoken in many parts of the world, making an effort to learn a few basic words in the local language can go a long way. Greeting, thank you, and basic questions like asking for direction can help you navigate and interact with local more efficiently. It shows respect for the local culture and demonstrates your willingness to engage and connect. Even your pronunciation is not perfect, locals usually appreciate the effort and may be more willing to assist you engage in conversation. Notify your bank and credit card companies. To avoid any inconveniences or complication with your finance while abroad, it is crucial to notify your bank and credit card companies about your travel plans. Inform them of the countries you will be visiting and duration of your stay. These simple steps ensure that your cards are not flagged for suspicious activity, and you can use them without any issues while traveling. It is also advisable to inquire about any foreign transition fees or currency conversions charged to manage your finance more effectively. Secure travel insurance. Travel insurance is an essential investment for any international adventure. It provides financial protection and peace of mind in case of unforeseen events such as medical emergencies, trip cancellation, lost baggage, or travel delays. Research different travel insurance options and choose plans that offer comprehensive coverage based on your specific needs. Read the policy detail carefully to understand what is covered and any exclusions or limitations. Having adequate travel insurance ensures that you can navigate unexpected situations with confidence and without significant financial burdens. Stay connected. Maintaining reliable communication while abroad is crucial for various reasons. It is allow you to stay connected with your loved one back home, grasp important information, and navigate your destination effectively. Consider processing a local SIM card upon arrival to have a local phone number and access to affordable data plans. If this is not feasible, activating an international data plan with your existing service provider can also be a viable option. Alternatively, make use of Wi-Fi hotspot available at hotels, cafes, or public places. Staying connected ensures that you can quickly access map, transaction, travel application, and other essential resources during your international adventure. Respect local custom and cultures. Every country is own unique customs, tradition, and culture norms. To have a meaningful and respectful international adventure, take the time to research and understand the local custom of your destination. Learn about appropriate dress codes, gesture, and behavior. For example, in some cultures, it may be customary to remove your shoes when entering someone's home or place of worship. Respecting and adhering to this culture practice not only show your appreciation for the local culture, but also foster positive interaction and relationship with local. As you conclude your journey through these tips for international adventures, remember that preparation, awareness, and an open mind are your greatest companions. By conducting throughout research, picking wisely, and respecting local customs, you'll navigate unfamiliar territories with ease and respect. Stay connected, both with loved one and the world around you, to enhance your experience and ensure a sense of security. Above all, embrace the diversity and richness of each destination, immersing yourself in new cultures and creating lasting memories. So, go forth and let the world be your playground as you embark on your next international adventures. Bon voyage! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like.